I'm just going out on a limb here. I don't think it's gonna do anything, but he's too round. It won't hook him. It won't do anything. But I'm just here to play. Cha. Only charged me $1. This thing likes to do that. Look, see, this machine is so much quicker than ours. But it still has the cord thing. After 6 months, ours finally got solved. Do I want this green duck? Maybe I'll go on this mumbo jumbo here. Hope I ran out of time like a ding dong. Look, it's still doing that. Look, 2, 3, wait. Oh. I had 3 and 1, and then it gave me 0. I can't believe I had 3 and 1, and then it did that to me. I couldn't talk. I was left speechless. Come on, I want a 2 and 1. I had a 3 and 1, but you like to play games. An emoji smiley face. This machine is so much quicker. So I got 1 duck for $1. It's a deal. 3 for 1 would have been better. Not that I'm greedy, but so I will play Santa will play for the emojis. And my refilled quarter roll that can't move because it's too full, which is awesome, will play for Halloween. And 1 machine for my machine. Yeah. Oh, there's gumballs back there. The winco vending machines always look like they want to break on me. I don't know why. Incredible Hulk has a bad time trying these machines. But I got a purple fidget, very good. And I have to open the... Here, wait. Maybe I don't have to... Crap. I'll be right back, folks. I'm losing... I forgot my battery's almost dead. I will be back in about 1 second. My phone died right after I said bye. So bloody annoying. Well, it ate my money and gave me the prize, so I don't know what happened. That was weird. It's like still dispensing the, That was weird. These machines, man, whether I'm here or at my house, just don't like to dispense. At least I got something. I was hoping I'd get it for free because I'm kind of a dummy, but... That's happened before, you know, I went like that and the machine dispensed. No, and I'll just play for a ball. It's only a quarter. Our quarter machine is a 50 center. There's webs. There's webs right there, folks. Sweet. Notice I switched roles because that's only for Santa and these little machines are for Halloween. Remember, every game I play is going out to a kid, so it's what I do. And these need to be dusted, bro. This is my dad's phone, by the by. I'll see you on my phone in about 2 seconds. Bye. So I'm gonna see if this Mario from the broke machine is actually gettable. It just didn't look broke. I just don't feel good about it. My dad's phone does not zoom. Zoom out anyway. Oh, I lost time. That's why it's broke. Okay. It works, but it doesn't close. That's kind of like the fourth machine at my home. They're all the same. Okay, whatever. Can I snag this thing by the head? Ah, I don't know, man. Do you think I could do that? I was actually gonna go for Patrick by the loop. I'm gonna go for his head one more time. Gosh dang it. I think it'd barely move. I need to come right here more. More right center on it. Ah, I don't know. He's like gettable, but he's not. I'm fidgeting with my money, guys. I almost put in a 5, but maybe I want to... If he was upright, I could get him. Gosh dang it. I hate it when things are so iffy. Do you just want a $5 bill? Come on, claw machine. Or I'm probably just going to dead zone it, huh? I'm just gonna go for his body, make sure it doesn't stab the squishmallow. That's why I'm gonna push him down. Okay, clamp. Okay, one more try, and then if this isn't cut it, I'm putting in a 5. I think I just ruined it. Gosh dang it. I'm not gonna go for Patrick. Clamp, come on. Stay. Stay, you piece of garbage. Sweet beans, man. I'm not gonna go for Patrick. What are the chances I could get the loop? Because I'm the biggest moron in America, I'm gonna go for his loop. I'm not gonna do it. I will buy this claw machine on the spot if I can loop this. Yeah, there's no way. Yeah, there's no way. Yeah. That'd be funny if I clipped it. Can't believe hard work pays off, guys. Oh, man. Oh, you can hear it in my voice. I'm like so nervous right now. Okay, so okay, so this guy's out of order. This guy's out of order. Okay, there's only one toy. This one steals money all the time. So I will play, it depends if this one gives me candy or not. So I will play trick or treat on that. No, I'm still so nervous about that toy that I can't talk. So this will be Santa and this will be Halloween, okay? Right? Yeah, okay. So let me do my Santa bag first. How much are you? Okay. Yeah, when the bottom machine was the duck machine, it stole my quarters. I have trust issues now with it. So this is Santa, right? Which roll a quarter am I using? Okay. So considering a lot of you are broke, I don't trust this. And this thing I think is broke too. Crap. I think I just jammed it. think I just jammed it. Oh, look, Dad, I won him. Scary win, though. I'm still kind of shaken up, but I think I might have to get the employees. I think I just prowled.
I mean, I got no keys either.
Well, they do. They'll help me get it. I don't know if that's just the machine or if that's this quarter being a dud.
Let me see if I can get the quarters out.
I mean, they're all broke, so I wouldn't be surprised if they're all broke. Yeah, those two are going to be a beast. Got the blue guy. And then when you're done, I'll go for the one down there. Come over here real quick.
It came out almost.
If you notice, I changed quarter rolls. I'm not using those ones because I have a system I'm working on. So let's just pray this thing, because when it was the duck machine, it stole money. And it didn't today. Good. And I got a duck. Huh. So as I was saying, it's machines from old ducks in the past. It's like our mall duck, so it's awesome.